How to set up Instagram saved replies. So the very first step is to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile found in the lower right corner of the screen. Do take note that you may only do this if your account is a business account. So, for example, your account is still on a personal account, then you should switch by clicking on the three lines found on the upper right corner, click on Settings, and click on Preferences right here. Make sure to click on Switch Account Type and choose the business account or the professional account. Once you have done that, you may go back to your profile, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, click on Settings, click on Business right here, and then click on Save Reply right here. Now, you may click on this plus button found on the upper right corner, and then you may type in the shortcut, and then you should type in the full message that you want to send to your customers right here. Click on Save found on the upper right corner, and then that's it. That's how you can set up Instagram saved replies.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.